Video, I'm going to show you how to add a sub-recipe group to a sub-recipe and manage your sub-recipe report. To start, go to Kitchen, Sub-Recipes. Then you're going to click on the sub-recipe ID to access that sub-recipe. On this page, you're going to add the sub-recipe group. So we'll say this is made by Emily. This is Emily's work. That's the group it's going to be under. And we'll set a priority of 1 through 5, 1 being high priority, 5 being low priority. Given that this is a low priority item, we'll set it to 4. Then hit Save. Once you do that, your sub-recipe reports under your cooking reports are going to be now categorized as follows. So you'll see all the stuff that Emily needs to make with the priority level. And then all the other sub-recipes that do not have groups yet, or the other groups you've created. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know if you have any questions. Bye.